In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a file in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your documents where they belong, keep projects tidy, and find things faster. First, log into Google Drive in your web browser. Head to drive.google.com and sign in with your account if you aren't already. You'll land on your Drive home, which shows your files and folders. If you're already signed in, you can jump right in. Next, navigate to the folder that currently holds the file you want to move. Use the left sidebar to click into My Drive or a shared drive, then open the specific folder. Taking a second to confirm you're in the right spot helps you avoid moving the wrong file. If the file is in a nested folder, click through each level until you see it. Now right-click on the file you want to move. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way, and on some devices you can press Control or Command while clicking. You'll see a context menu pop up with several actions you can take on that file. In that menu, go to the Organize option. Depending on your interface language and updates, it may appear as Organize or Move To. They lead to the same place, so choose the option that relates to moving the file. Click on Move. This opens the Move To panel, which lets you choose exactly where the file should live. Think of this as your file's new home selector. From here, locate the destination folder. You'll see a list of your folders and drives. Click through to browse and look for the folder where this file should go. If you need to go up a level, use the navigation at the top of the panel. Take a moment to verify the path so you're placing the file in the intended project or category. If you're moving a file into a shared drive, remember that visibility and ownership rules may differ from your personal My Drive, and Drive will warn you if something needs your attention. When you're ready, click Move. Drive will process the change and confirm it on screen. Your file now appears in the new destination folder, and any links that point to the file will continue to work as long as the file remains accessible to the same people. If you accidentally chose the wrong spot, you'll briefly see an option to undo the move. That's it, you've successfully moved a file in Google Drive using the built-in Move feature. Keeping your folders organized this way makes collaboration smoother and saves time when you're searching for documents later.